Hey everybody, Chris from Diesel Power Products here, and today we're going over the Stage 1 Hpop from CNC Fabrication. So let's talk application. This Hpop is going to have two options that will fit either the 94 to 95 or the 96 to 2003 F250 350 with the 7.3 Powerstroke. This Stage 1 Hpop is going to have enough volume to push up to 230 cc and 100% over hybrid injectors, but it's still a great upgrade for stock applications. These pumps are fitted with steel thread inserts, come with new Viton O-rings and gaskets, and they also go through some rigorous bench testing so that you get a perfect pump every time ready to drop in. CNC Fabrication builds parts exclusively for the Ford Powerstroke only and has been doing so for over 10 years right out of Bryan, Ohio. These pumps are built from remanufactured cores, so they will have a core charge, but it does come with free core return shipping. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us by emails or chats on the site. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.